What up, guys? The Crypto Homie back at you with another episode. This episode is all about if you're new to crypto, if you're new to investing, let's say you only have $100, hard earned $100, and you want to invest. What should you invest in? What questions should you be asking yourself? All that in this video and more. But before we get into it, guys, make sure you guys smash that subscribe button to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. So, getting right into it, I made this little presentation right here. I feel like this will help ask the right questions and what you guys should be like made aware of. So you're new to crypto, by the Crypto Homie, and let's say you have the budget of $100. So you have $100, hard earned $100. You go to your 9 to 5 job, and now you want to take that $100 and you want your $100 to make some babies, make some $1 bills, $2 bills, and etc. So some basic questions you want to ask yourself: what is your time preference? And this refers to, so do you want to hold that $100 in that investment for a week, a day, a month? Are you willing to hold it for a year? When do you plan on selling? When do you plan on getting that money back? Yeah, like you have to ask yourself, what time preference do you have? And then I think like another great question is this a one-time investment? So are you just going to take $100 one time and invest, or are you going to dollar cost average? Which dollar cost averaging is like, for example, if you have a 401k with an employer, every paycheck, a certain percent of money comes out and goes straight into your 401k. Like it's just like that. So every, say weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, are you going to consistently invest over time? So you have to ask yourself that: is this a one-time investment, or are you going to continue to invest in the same investment? Or maybe you'll branch out to other investments in the crypto space. And I mean, probably the first question I should have said is, why are you investing? What made you like even look into this? Um, are you doing it to make some quick bucks? Are you trying to, maybe build a portfolio over the next coming years? Because I know somebody, he dropped 5K into crypto back in 2016, and in 2017 it turned over to it was over 1.2 million dollars. So think about it. I mean, $5,000 may sound like a lot of money, but I mean, compared to 5,000 to 1.2 mil, I mean that's some big bucks right there. And risk tolerance. What are you willing to risk? So when it comes down to the Bitcoin and altcoins, what are you willing to risk? Do you want to have a high leverage position, a very risky portfolio, or do you want to be? Are you more conservative? That's questions you gotta ask yourself. So moving on. So when it comes to Bitcoin or altcoins, obviously Bitcoin has been around the longest. It's been around for a little over 10 years. So it has the most it has the most history. It's the most secure blockchain out there as of right now. I mean, because it's the one that's proven the test over time. I mean, it's just like you can't argue it. So, but then there comes altcoins, and I believe it'd be great to show you guys CoinMarketCap. If you're new to crypto, I personally like CoinMarketCap. I compare. I go between sites like CoinPaprika, and CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko just to see, because sometimes they have different information, and sometimes I actually go to certain exchanges just to look, like ProCoinbase.com, Binance.us. So like you go here and there's over 5,882 coins. Like, so what do you invest in? I personally, if you only had $100 and you were a more conservative investor, you don't want to get too risky, just dump that whole $100 into Bitcoin. But like let's just say, you want to go a little bit more riskier. Some of the top coins, Ethereum, XRP, you got Bitcoin Cash, Polkadot. See, as we go down, these are lower market caps. On this side, we have the market caps. You scroll down, they just get lower and lower. The lower a market cap coin is, that just means, like, if there is, just say there's hype, more money could flow into it, so like it could pump it up higher. But you don't want to always, like, you don't want to invest straight off hype though, because that right there, because it goes up and then it comes down. So as you can look and see, you don't really want to have a full portfolio of that. I personally like to keep my portfolio at least a 50% Bitcoin holding, and then the rest are in alts. So at least 50%, if not higher. So that's my personal thing. But if you only have $100, I mean, you could just start, like, you could throw $50 into Bitcoin and maybe pick one altcoin or two altcoins, but you don't want to over diversify with such. And I'm not trying to discredit $100, but you don't want to over diversify, because with only $100, you're going to like, you're only gonna buy $10 here or $20 there. Now, if you want to do something like dollar cost averaging, like let's say every 2 weeks you put $50 into Bitcoin, and then you put 25 into, let's say, XRP, and 25 into Ethereum. Hey, that's great, because that's not just $100, because you're planning to dollar cost average into this over the long term, which will work out. Like, there's studies that show that. You guys should definitely just Google dollar cost averaging. It's proven to work, etc. I mean, that's why 401ks kind of work out as well too. But that's my personal opinion about if you only have $100. Now, like, let's say maybe you know what, homie, I got $1,000, and I just want to do it one time. Now that's when I would consider definitely getting more of the altcoins. But so if you guys want me to go in more detail about $1,000, like what if I have $1,000 to invest, let me know in the comments down below. What do you guys think about this whole, what if you have $100 kind of video? Obviously, altcoins. I said, I have Chainlink, Uniswap, Orchid Protocol, OZ may go, and so many more. So like there's so many to pick from, and with only $100, I would be more conservative with that. I would just stick with Bitcoin for the most of it. Probably just for all of it. But if you wanted to dabble a little bit, maybe set 75 into Bitcoin, 25 into some alts. But I personally would dollar cost average, so then long term it'll work out. And guys, if you've seen Plan B, stock to flow, Bitcoin could hit anywhere from 100 to $864,000 in this phase 5 of the bull run. So what do you guys think about that? Let me know down in the comments below. And always, guys, if you guys are new here, make sure you guys subscribe to stay up to date on the latest in the crypto space. And you guys can follow me at the crypto homie at homie_crypto on Twitter. So I appreciate every single one of you guys for tuning in today. Smash that like button. The crypto homie is signing out. I hope you guys have a great rest of your day.